Hey guys, in this video I will be demonstrating you the installation of R and RStudio on Windows 11, Windows 10, in the mentioned order. Please refer the timelines, and feel free to directly jump to the section of your choice depending upon your machine requirement. Let's get started with the installation on Windows 11 operating system. First of all, open your favorite browser and search for R download. And the first link which will appear here will be from r-project.org. You can directly see this link, Download R. At the time of making this video, R-4.3.1 is the latest version for Windows. Just click on this link. Otherwise, you can also go to r-project.org link. So, I'm going to open this website, and once this r-project.org website is open, you can see this, Download R, link here. Also you can see download header on this left panel, under which you can see CRAN here, which is the CRAN mirror. Please click on this link which says CRAN. Upon redirected to this page, you can see various different mirrors from where you can download R. We can see this, Zero Cloud, with link as cloud.r-project.org. We can also notice the links available for all the countries. You can find the country near to your residence, and can proceed to download from that mirror. Selecting server to download from nearest country will allow to download it faster. If you are not sure, just click on the first link of Zero Cloud, and you can see automatic redirection to server worldwide. For demonstration, I'll click on the first link here. Now, click on Download R for Windows link. On redirected page you can see a few available options. I'm going to choose the first option which says Base. Then once again I'm going to click on Download R version 4.3.1 for Windows. This will download the .exe file which we will use for installation. Now, double click on this exe executable file. The first message you will see on your Windows is this one. It says, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? I will click on yes, then choose the language. I will choose the English language, which is the default one. You can also choose from all these other languages. Here you can read these license terms and conditions, if you wish to. Then, click on Next. This will be the location where R will be installed. If you want you can change this location, otherwise leave it as default, and click on Next. Then on this next window you need to select components. I will leave everything as default. Click on Next. On this next window it says, Startup Options, asking to select either, Yes, or, No. I'll go with the default option, No, and then will again click on, Next. Now, we have to select, Start Menu. I will again leave it as default and then click on, Next. On this section it asks us to, select additional tasks. Once again I'll go ahead with the default options. Here, it also gives the option to create the, Quick Launch shortcut. I'll select this, and then click on Next. Now, you can see the installation has been started. Now, just wait for this process to reach to the 100% mark, and after some time you will see this message which says, completing the R for Windows and the version is 4.3.1. You may also notice this R icon which is created on your desktop. When you click on the Start menu you can see R is listed here as well. Click on Finish to complete this setup process. Now, just to verify the installation, you may search for R in this search bar, or you can directly click on this icon for R available on your desktop. I am going to double click on this R icon on desktop, and then you can see that RG, Graphical User Interface, has started, and this has started a session with R console here. Just for demonstration that R is installed and is working, I can write print, put an open bracket, then in double quotes write, Hello World, and close the bracket. Now, press enter and it will print, Hello World, as an output on the console. It shows that this is working fine. Next, let's try to install the RStudio. So, I'm going to close this. To download RStudio, please open your favorite browser and search for RStudio. And the first link which appears here is from posit.co/download. You can also see rstudio.com here, which is also from the same organization. Hence, you may click on either posit.company, or you can click on rstudio.com. I'm going to click on rstudio.com, and you may notice that, here it gives this message at the top, pardon the interruption as we migrate content to our new website, which is posit.company. So I'm going to click on that link. Here, on POSITCO website, I can see this Download RStudio button. I'm going to click on this. I'm now going to click on this, Download RStudio. Now, you can see this is giving 2 steps. Step 1. We have already done that by doing installation of R. We'll move to the step 2. Click on Download RStudio Desktop for Windows. This will start downloading this RStudio executable file. Once this file is downloaded, I'm going to click on this. Let me minimize the browser. You will see the message. Click on Yes. Now you can see this window. Click on Next here and this will be the location which I am leaving as default and clicking on Next. On Start Menu folder, I'm leaving everything as default and clicking on Install. This will start the installation process. I'll wait until this progress bar to reach to the 100% mark. Once it's finished, click on Finish button, which is going to finish the installation of RStudio. Once RStudio is installed, you can click on your Start menu. You may directly see this RStudio here. Otherwise, you can go to All Apps and scroll or search for RStudio. Click on RStudio. It's going to be started. One-time setup is required now, which says to select the version of R to use. I'm going to choose the default version, which is Use Machine's default 64-bit version, and then click on OK. RStudio has started now. In this prompt it asks to enable automatic crash reporting. I have selected Yes. You may see the RStudio homepage is loaded. Just like while we installed R, we can again write print and you can see you have IntelliSense, which gives suggestions about the function. Then here I'm going to write Hello World, then press enter, which prints Hello World as output. If you want to create a new R file, click on this New File, then click on R script. Test with the same Hello World example again. You can save this file by clicking on this Save button. Choose your location where you want to save this file. I will create a new folder and name it as R Apps. Then I will name my file as test. You can see the type or file extension R is provided automatically. Click on Save and then this test R file is created. I can see this Run button which says run the current line or selection. Click on Run and then can see the output on the console here. I can change this code and after running once again, I can see the output here. Also on the right hand side you can see all the folder structure and directories, plots, package help, viewer and presentation. And you can also see the global environments here. Now you can start using R with RStudio on your Windows 11 operating system. Let's get started with the installation on Windows 10 operating system. To install RStudio on your computer, open the link given in the video description. The first thing you need to do is download R, which is a programming language on which RStudio is built on. In the first option here you can see the Install R option. Please click on this option. A new window will appear. Click on the option Download R for Windows. Now, click on Base. You can see the latest available version of R here. At the time of making this video I can see R-4.2.2 for Windows. Click on this option to download the installation file. The download has started and open it once it's complete. Now follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Choose your language. You choose the installation location. Leaving everything to default. Click Next. Installation has started. Installation is now complete. Click on Finish. Once you have installed R on your computer, you can now proceed to the next step, which is to download RStudio. So open the same link. And in the second option, click on Download RStudio Desktop for Windows. The download has started. It will take some time depending upon the speed of your internet connection. The download is complete now. Click on the downloaded file to open it. Now follow the on-screen guide or instructions for the installation. Click Next. Choose the installation location. Next, click on Install button. The installation process has started. RStudio has been installed on your computer. Click Finish. Now, type RStudio in the Windows search bar, then click on RStudio to open it. So that's it. We have successfully installed RStudio on our computer. If this video helped you out in any way, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Also, click on the screen right now to watch another video, just like this one with some tips and tricks to help you level up. If you have any questions or suggestions, then you may ask in the comments section below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.